This portable power station boasts an impressive 3200 Wh capacity, making it an ideal companion for a wide range of applications. Equipped with 3 3000 WAC outputs, 2 USB-A ports, 2 USB-QC 3.0 ports, 2 Type-C ports, 2 DC ports, and 1 car charging output, this powerhouse can cater to an array of electronic devices. From refrigerators and TVs to mini coolers, electric grills, fans, mobile phones, and laptops. But what truly sets this power station apart is its upgradability to a solar-powered generator. By simply attaching 2 solar panels, you can harness the sun's energy to power your devices. The upgraded MPPT technology ensures high conversion and charging efficiency. No one likes the noise of a generator disrupting their peace and quiet. With this portable generator, you can enjoy high-efficiency power supply without the annoying background noise. Its exceptionally low sound output ensures that your work or relaxation remains undisturbed. This practical and user-friendly design makes it an excellent choice for camping, hiking, traveling. Craft with premium materials and top-notch craftsmanship, this electric generator is built to last. Its robust construction guarantees durability and resilience, ensuring it stands up to the rigors of outdoor use. The exterior design is carefully engineered to safeguard the product,